to how are you gonna vote? So, they these are our companies. Mario and Earth. So, are you gonna vote Mario or birthday cookie? So we'll find out later. Yeah. Kind of everywhere. No, I'm the best. No, I'm the best. Are you anyone here? I know. So, I'll choose the one. Mario. Yahoo! Wait, this is not people Mario's video. Okay, so he's no bullying. Well, you know, this is a fun one.